Hi class, welcome to our next unit for reading. It's all about Little Red Riding Hood. So this video I'm going to show you how to access your first week's instructions and homework and what to do. So here we're looking at our Google Classroom. You're going to click on classwork, and since this is the English version, you guys can pick whether you want to do it in Spanish or English for this time. Since this is our first big unit, I'm giving you your preferred language. Next unit will be totally in Spanish, but if you would like to use that English, you can. And the unit after the Spanish one will be in English. We're going to go back and forth, but for now I just want to see what your preferred language is. So this is the instructions for English. So here we are in Google Classroom on classwork. We're going to scroll down to Little Red Riding Hood English. So here's all your assignments for this whole unit. As you can see, there's 5 assignments, so it's going to be a 5-week unit. So you only have to do one thing per week. It's not too bad. So we're going to click on part 1. Let me read the instructions. It says, have you ever heard of Little Red Riding Hood? This is a classic story that has many different versions throughout different cultures. Today, you are going to hear a story about Little Red Riding Hood from a different culture. By the end of the reading, you should be able to think about how this story is different than the other story that you know. So we're going to go on this Google form to complete this part of our work for this week. So we're going to click on this Google form. And it says Little Red Riding Hood Part 1 English. Please use this form to complete the Little Red Riding Hood assignment. So remember, you should be working on this with mom, dad, an adult, a brother or sister, someone that has good reading skills that can help you with this reading, because I know it's a lot of tricky words. So our first question is, have you ever heard Little Red Riding Hood? And let me pause for a minute. You can also, if you don't have anyone available to help you this week, you can refer back to this video and I will read each question out loud. So, have you ever heard of Little Red Riding Hood? So think to yourself, have you ever heard of that story? I know I have, so I'm going to click yes. It says, please write about the main parts of Little Red Riding Hood story that you know. This does not have to be in complete sentences. You can do bullet points if you'd like. So I'm going to say, I know that there's a wolf. I know that there's a grandma. What else do I know about Little Red Riding Hood? Oh, I know she has a basket of food. And I want you to go on and create a list of everything that you know about the Little Red Riding Hood story that you've ever heard of. Now it says, find your name under Group A or Group B for this week. This will determine what book you are reading. I am in Group, so let's go back to Google Classroom to find that out. So we're going to go to the stream. We're going to scroll all the way down. Oh, here we go. Here are your group assignments for the week. This will determine what story you'll be reading. I'm going to say my name is Camila for this example. So I'm going to say, where's Camila? Where's Camila? Oh, here I am. I'm in Group A. So I'm going to go back to my survey and I'm going to say, I'm in Group A. Then I'm going to click the next button. Here we are. Welcome to Group A. Here you will find your information about reading for the week. So here's our video of reading for the week. It's called Pretty Salma, a Little Red Riding Hood Story from Africa by Nikki Daly. So instead of called Little Red Riding Hood, she's called Pretty Salma. So I want you to click on this video, read along with the author who's reading it, and then I want you to answer this question. After watching your reading for the week, think about how the story that you knew before the reading, and think about how it's different from the new story you heard today. So here you can use bullet points again, and you can say, this story, how is it different? It was based in Africa, so we can put in Africa. We can say maybe she had a different basket of food. Remember, working with someone can help you type all these words out. If not, you should be able to use your dictation to be able to speak if you can't spell these words. All right, and then once you're done, you're going to press submit. And that's it. That's all you have to do for the week. So if you guys have any questions, remember you can send me an email. Good luck!